In the Asia session for gold yesterday, we were on sell at 2035 with a target at 2018 levels. And with the US session update yesterday, I had asked you to buy at 2028, and we have mentioned that possibly the lows for the day are done. Precisely, gold stayed within the channel. I hope you all profited. Now, what does this mean? Is it still the same bullish flag formation? Can we expect it to break out and rally? What is going to be our strategy trading gold today? Which position and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get twice a day updates. Do like, share, and join the channel memberships to get the additional perks. Press the join button beside the subscribe icon. Let's towards the end of this update, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts. What has happened? See, this is still under retracement after the drop. It has formed a very good base at 2018 levels, and since then we have seen it retracing. Now, see the formation here. Base is created, rise, retracement, second base, and rise. Does it mean that it can try to reach to the higher highs and continue on the upwards? We have to wait. Any break below 2025 levels is a confirmation that yes, you can sell again. As long as 2025 is not taken, we are not going to see this as bearish. Now, also on the upside, the next support resistance levels at 2036 are playing a major role. 2035, 36 indeed is the greater resistance here. After this, I will look forward to 40, and then if it breaks past by 45, 47, any point of time today or tomorrow, we can say that prices have reversed. Now, one must note that, see, this is the trading channel in which it is trading, and this is clearly a good flag formation. A breakout above 2060 is what will confirm the reversal. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic at top, MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI looking upwards as well. Coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour charts, see one bullish candle, strong base, retracement, second base, and it is looking upwards. But look at the movement here. What has happened here is the price has just converged towards the 20 period moving average, as it was trading with too much of divergence from the moving average. Now, does this convergence means that the retracement is done? Possibly there is little more room, but look at the pressure from the upside. It is not willing to break beyond 20, 35, 36. Thus, if you see it is staying above 25, 35, 36, we can look forward to 40, 45, 48. We have to wait for it to break past by 48, 52 zone in order to confirm complete reversal. Though, yes, again, it is a good flag formation. Stochastic rising, MACD has formed double bottom, trading with divergence, second bullish candle. It can continue to diverge more and reverse. RSI rising, coming to 3 hours. Prices here also trading with divergence. See, moving averages trading with divergence. Prices just converged here after the divergence. Here also it is just converging. Now see this two crossovers. This is a bearish cross. Where is it is station? Now 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Band somewhere in between 36, 38, and then the 50 and 100 here at around 45, 47. Very good resistance will be seen even if it tries to retrace. Right now it is just has converged. The prices has just converged towards the 20 period, and moving averages are trading with divergence, which is certainly a bearish sign. Stochastic rising, MACD has formed double bottom, trying to rise, trying to diverge, trying to look upwards. RSI has retraced as well. And on the 4 hour charts, we have to wait for the next candle. And yes, this is the levels here at 2040. It has to break past by, and then 45, 48. If these two levels are taken, then you can say more bullish momentum will be seen. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see MACD after this bullish move, second convergence here. If it crosses over, it can lead to little higher prices. RSI rising. Coming to the daily chart. Before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on third week of January. Dates are announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can find the answers to all your queries on my platform forexfunda.com. Here also you will get the economic calendar, the live charts with advanced tools, and a community of traders. And also you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance, if you're stuck in any position or you need any futuristic prediction. Yes, the next is the weekly webinar series. If you're part of the weekly webinar series, you will get the presentation completely free. Be a part. Register for the webinar series, and if you just want to trade as per the signals on my Telegram channel, be a part of the VIP signals channel. You can get more details via Telegram or email. Write an email to me, write down or ping me on Telegram. Here, if you join the free Telegram channel, here also you'll get the live updates. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now look at daily charts. On the daily charts, we have mentioned very clearly it is still trading in this flag formation after the rise. This is the retracement, and now once it breaks out beyond 2060 itself, it will confirm the reversal. Right now it is not confirming the reversal here. Look at the formation. See, after the swings, it is opened flat, first red candle, and now today's candle has started on a flat note. Now remember, on the downside again, the zone at 2028-32 is going to be a greater support zone. So what will happen once it stays below 2028? It will again try to move downside, where we can look forward to 2024, 2020, 2018 zone as the next, and in fact 2014, 2015 as the next support levels. Yes, it is trying to confine within this zone with lower lows with every candle. Possibly, even if it is bullish, it will fall shy of yesterday's low. If you see gold falling shy of yesterday's low and reversing again, consider that it is not willing to trade bearish, and we can see a bounce back, and this bounce back or recovery is going to be stronger enough. Right now, because the candle is open flat, it can try to form a little tail on the downside. Even if it is bullish, it can try to form a tail on the downside and bounce back. Stochastic has retraced, but look at MACD. This is divergent, this is bearish, looking downwards. And yes, MACD has still scope for it, but right now if you look at MACD is trading between this zone, and this is also a good flag formation here. It can again bounce back, converge and bounce back. RSI looking down. Considering this, you can buy here at 20, 35, 36 levels and expect it to rise. First resistance at around 20, 40, 41.5, then 45, 48 and 52. These are the key resistance levels. Now once it tests beyond 2052, do not think that it is going to reverse. We can look forward to 2060, which will mark the reversal here. If the gold stays above 2060, you can look forward to 2071.5, 2085 and 2100 in the near future. Not today, but in the near future. Thus you have to wait for it to break past 2060, 2071.5, 2080 levels, and then sky is the limit on the upside. Right now, as I can see, a clear cut flag formation. But next observation here is on the downside, it is opened on the flat, and thus once it breaks below 2028, 2032 zone, we can look forward to a little drop towards 2024, 2018, 20 levels. Below 18 is where 2014 will be seen, and as long as 2014, 2015 levels are not taken on the downside, do not treat gold as bearish as well. Possibility for it to reverse, yeah, first red candle, second red candle, it can yield, but we have to watch out more cautiously, because yes, as long as it stays in the channel, do not conclude that it is turned bearish or bullish. Take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Wait for the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Join the mentorship batch, join the Signals channel, join the webinar series, and please press the like button before leaving the video. Thank you.